Hey everyone, just wanted to do a showcase of Joltz's Ordinance build with the disc jockey. Disclaimer, I did not make this build at all. It is entirely from Joltz. It's copy pasted almost 100%. Obviously some of our Ordinance is going to be different, and then our class mod, and that's really wanted to test. What I wanted to test was that, if we have fewer points into endless bombardment, is this still feasible? Because his class mod was quite good. He had a +5 in that endless bombardment, and that's what really allows this build to thrive. So if we take a quick look at the build, here's the tree. Again, Ordnance focused. Just a brief overview. Again, if you want details on the build itself, look at Joltz's video. This is just to show how it looks without perfect gear. Big difference is I took out incendiary damage, added some more to bullet storm, and to wield the storm, just because I like the rainbow vomit as well. So weapons we'll be using are the disc jockey of various elements that I've farmed up already, and then some of these Malawan launchers, ideally with the 2-shot or Merv. Those work very well. Okay, so let's get into it. So we throw our axe to our action skill. I have a damage boosting shot, and then we switch over to our ordnance. It seems to me it works best if you just aim at the ground rather than at them themselves to get the ricochet damage from the legendary. And we're just watching our ammo count, make sure we don't drop below at 8. We don't exceed our entire ammo limit here. I'll show what happens if we do. So we lose our ordnance, goes on cooldown. Nice thing though, if we throw a bunch of our axes, we will regain that cooldown almost instantly, so we can get right back into the fight. Another thing I wanted to share is with the disc jockey, it does okay damage on the boss. I instead prefer one of these launchers, specifically radiation and in this case corrosive against this boss seem to work quite well. Just gonna put all our buffs up again, see how it fares. Big thing with this launcher is usually you down yourself. Yeah. Okay, so that is definitely the trade-off. The disc jockey won't do that. Just make sure you stay far away from them. So even with my inferior class mod, it's still serviceable. And I think the best part is, unlike some of the other builds like the trillion or billion damage Vex, Harlow crazy stuff out there, hopefully we should be able to avoid the nerfs for a little bit, because the way it currently functions, the build does not seem crazy overpowered. The nice thing too, where we're at right now, at Sydney Pointy Legs in the Fade Fields here. Some surrounding safe houses to look at. Does drop this disc jockey, so a good way to get everything for the build. The other almost necessary legendary is the Super Soldier, which does have a dedicated drop for spoilers in the foundry here with Vile Lictor. So it took me, I think, about 10 kills to get one, but works very well. Like I said, hopefully we avoid the nerfs. Best of luck out there. Hope you get lucky on some drops.